hey, hi. What's fuzzy? Shh, I'm hiding from Mumbles. It worked, but I think I'll stay here a bit just to be sure. Oh, hey, there's a ladybug. That's good luck when you see one. Not all ladybugs are red and black in color. Some are also yellow. When being attacked, they let off a bad smell from their legs to make other insects go away. Ladybugs only live for about 1 year, and they can eat about 50 insects in just 1 day. Farmers love ladybugs. Ladybugs would eat other ladybugs if they have nothing else to eat. That's not ladylike. A ladybug can fly for more than 2 hours at a time. Ladybugs. Who knew? Just look and you will find special things in your world. But be careful and be kind to special things in your world. Look around and you'll have fun with special things in your world. But take care of the planet, 'cause we only have one. Bye.